Hi friends, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to the English class. In this session, we are going to learn something very interesting. Every class is interesting, but this I find more interesting. So, if you talk with someone, with your friends, or somebody in your family, or someone outside in the society, so you exchange the conversation, right? You do that. So, you face a lot of places where you need to express your views, your opinions. This session is all about that thing, that how exactly can we express our opinions or tell our thoughts. So in the beginning of expressing any opinion, you need few sentences or you can say phrases because they are short, but they help you to start your conversation when we need to express our opinion. So I have prepared few phrases for you, but before I start with it, I would like to mention towards those phrases that we used to speak and they don't seem good. Means what I need to say you कि जब हम इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन में बात करते हैं तो हम कुछ ऐसे छोटे छोटे phrases देते हैं अपनी ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जो थोड़ी रूड लगती है, जो हमें नहीं बोलनी चाहिए. And what are the kind of phrases they are and where do we exactly use it? I'll give you some examples. Here are some phrases I have mentioned. You can see on the board. What are they? Suppose someone is asking me, how is the movie? Someone went for a movie and asking me, how is the movie? I'm saying, so-so. What is so-so? It means that actually you are not in mood to reply properly. That's why you are saying, so-so. It was so rude कि मैंने person को ये reply किया, the movie was. Like, I didn't say even the movie was. I said, so-so. So, cross on this. Somebody is telling you a good experience of his or her, right? So you feel, or he asks you that, how do you feel about it? You're saying same, like you feel. So I didn't say like you feel also. Well, saying like you feel doesn't complete the sentence even. But if I'm saying same, so that's also a kind of phrase giving my opinion. It is again in the rude list. So I'll make a cross on this also and suggest you not to speak this phrase next time. So, someone is asking you or explaining you any kind of situation she or he has faced recently. So, he asks you, do you agree with it? So, you say, of course. That's all. No more conversation. So, of course is also kind of very rude, right? Very dry phrase. That should not be used. I will never use it. Now, do you like your English teacher? So again, you're saying, not sure, maybe. So, not sure, maybe. What is it? No more explanations. Nothing else. Your opinion here is complete. You're not giving a proper opinion, and the person who is listening to you is not able to get the exact sense what you're trying to say. So, this one is also very rude. If someone is again giving you a kind of, a notion or in kind of order, you're only saying, okay. So, what does mean okay? No more explanation, no more opinions. So these phrases, I don't say that these are actually bad to say. If you're actually a lazy person in terms of using words and you're saying in a rude manner, that is wrong. But it fits on some places when you actually need to speak in short form. So these were the phrases that cannot be or should not be used mostly to express your opinions. I don't say that don't use it anywhere in English language. इन फ्रेजेस का स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड यूज है कहां पर जब हम अपनी ओपिनियन को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं सिर्फ उस जगह. सो हियर फ्यू फ्रेजेस आर देयर जो कि मैंने प्रिपेयर किए आपके लिए कि आप जब अपनी ओपिनियन को एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो इंग्लिश में तब आप इनका यूज कहां और किस सिचुएशंस में कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन इज इन माय ओपिनियन. जब भी हम अपनी ओपिनियन को एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो और द कॉन्वर्सेशन हैज बीन स्विच्ड ऑन यू, आपको बोला गया कि आप बताओ आप क्या सोचते हो इस बारे में, राइट? So first line, first thing you are saying that is, in my opinion. Then you are starting the conversation. In my opinion, I would say that the kind of economy our country is facing, I think that it's going very well. So, starting up the sentence ही कैसे करी? In my opinion से करी. Same thing you can say, I am of the view. One more beautiful thing, that this phrase can be used in a formal speech also. In my opinion, आप use कर सकते हो उन सारी formal जगह पर, like your offices or suppose you're giving any kind of presentation. I'm of the view is also a kind of phrase that you can use formally. Same thing, I'm of the view that the kind of situation our country is facing right now is due to some XYZ reasons. So this is also kind of phrase जो कि आप formally use कर सकते हैं अपनी opinion को express करने के लिए. In my view, it is also very, I'll not say it's a complete formal, it's a kind of semi-formal speech. आप casually भी बोल सकते हो, formally भी बोल सकते हो. In my view, very short and very good phrase to give a push to begin your conversation with you, explaining your opinion. So in my view, then you can go on. If you ask me, now the conversation has been switched on you. आपको बोला गया कि आप बताओ आप इस बारे में क्या कहते हो. एक already situation को explain कर दिया गया है by the other person and you have got a chance to explain your opinion. So you are starting with a very beautiful phrase and that phrase is, if you ask me, I would like to draw the attention of all you guys towards XYZ situation of the group. You go on. So if you ask me, अगर आप मुझसे पूछे तो मैं ये कहूँगा इस particular subject के बारे में. That is what this phrase speaks. This one is very smart. Let me tell you again. Here you're explaining your opinion and we are starting with let me tell you. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि and then you go on, right? So this is also kind of formal and casual both phrase that you can use. Allow me to say. This one is also very beautiful. I am using it a lot of places when you are not getting a chance to interrupt between or among the group जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग अपनी बातें कह रहे हैं, especially GD sessions में जो कि ऑफिसेज में जॉब इंटरव्यू के ड्यूरेशन में होती है या फिर किसी भी कैंपस में होती है during the selection of the students. वहाँ पर you can use this phrase and interrupt and got a chance to give your opinion. Allow me to say and then you can start your conversation. So far as I think, जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, then you are giving your more opinions and explanations further. Let me explain again here. This is also a very nice phrase to start your conversation. Let me explain. Here also you are asking somebody to get a chance to explaining this particular topic by giving your opinion and you are saying this phrase, let me explain. That's what I need to say. Now here also you are supporting an opinion. ये किसी भी opinion के लिए beginner phrase नहीं है, लेकिन जब आप ये phrase बोलते हो, that's what I need to say. आपने ऑलरेडी किसी पर्टिकुलर ओपिनियन को सपोर्ट किया है और उसी के सपोर्ट में आप सेम काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट यूज करोगे फर्दर बोलने के लिए. देन आप यूज करते हैं दैट्स व्हाट आई नीड टू से दैट this kind of situation is coming in our life on a very regular basis and I'm completely supporting the same stuff what the guy has said already. So this is what it meant. My point of view is, this is very general, very common and very popular but still very smart. इस बात में मेरा point of view ये है. Few more. There I am not sure but. Right. यहाँ पर जब कोई opinion doubtful होती है, ये सही है या गलत है, then we say I'm not sure but. Then you go on. I'm not sure but. So far as I think. Again आपने दूसरा phrase भी add कर दिया. I'm not sure but so far as I think this kind of situation is going to come again and again and I would rather say XYZ about it. So in this way you are giving your opinion in terms of over doubtful. What I believe is, जहाँ जो मुझे लगता है या जैसा मुझे लगता है, then you can go on with your opinion. I have always been of the view. मैं हमेशा इस बात को मानता रहा हूँ या मानती रही हूँ. That kind of thing in your native language when you need to explain that I have always been of the view. And then you go on with your strict opinion. जब आप अपनी opinion को लेके बहुत strict होते हो, then only you can use this phrase. Otherwise not. Very very common, very short and smart to push your English conversation is I think I should start the class now, or I think that you have got the session very well and next time when you are going to give your opinion in English, you are going to use all these phrases beautifully. So here I have given you my opinion that what I think about this session which I have recently done. That's all from my side in this session. If you have any doubt, any query, write us in the space given below. Bye.